Introduce highlight features and quick overview of KPX Air Fryer Toaster Oven, 20 Quart 10-in-1 Convection Oven Combo. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. If you are looking for a kitchen all-rounder, you should look no further. This air fryer toaster oven comes with 10 pre-installed cooking settings, which are air fry, bagel, bake, roast, reheat, toast, pizza, broil, dehydrate and warm, making it a perfect combination of toaster oven, air fryer, fruit dehydrator, and defrosting chamber. The countertop convection oven has a large interior that accommodates 12-inch pizzas, 6 slices of bread or roasts and a 4 pounds chicken, providing you enough room for making food for the entire family. With the 1500 watt high power output, this air frying oven is built to cook up to 20% faster than other ordinary ovens while cutting at least 85% fat in the food. Crispy roasted food has magic power, but to roast food evenly is not so easy. KPX Convection Air Fryer Oven is equipped with advanced 3D hot wind circulation technology, which ensures evenly distributed heat on the food to create a beautiful brown. So you can rest assured and let it do the hard work. The turbo-type heat flow also speeds up the heating process, allowing for quick dinner preparation. Every mother wants to cook healthy and delicious food for her family. KPX Air Fryer Toaster Oven is here to assist. There's no need to add extra oil to the food when cooking with this 10-in-1 countertop oven. The oven uses hot air convection to cook the food thoroughly and evenly while cutting over 85% fat, without sacrificing the taste and texture. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.